Preparing to bring your Lexus in for service can seem like a daunting task, but the customer-centric approach taken here at Hennessy Lexus of Gwinnett is going to guarantee you have the best experience possible. Allow me to walk you through it. When you arrive for service, you will pull your vehicle into the service drive under one of the enter signs. You will then be greeted and directed to your service advisor. Once you have been directed to your service advisor, they will go over the scheduled maintenance for your Lexus for that day, as well as address any questions or concerns that you may have. Once you have met with your service advisor, we invite you to enjoy our customer lounge while you wait for your vehicle to be serviced. Here, you will find great amenities such as free Wi-Fi, multiple televisions, as well as a variety of snack and drink options. If you are looking for the restrooms while you're visiting our dealership, you will find them conveniently located directly across from our customer lounge. If you are looking for parts for a Lexus vehicle, you will find the parts department here at Lexus of Gwinnett, located off the rear of the service advisor area. If you are unable to drop your vehicle off during normal operating hours, Hennessy Lexus of Gwinnett is proud to offer an early bird night drop option. You will simply come up to the box right here, pull this down, pull out one of the forms inside. You are gonna fill it out completely, stick your key inside, and then stick it in the slot right here. When our team arrives the next morning, they will retrieve your key from a secure location. Our hours of operation are conveniently posted around the exterior of the building near entry doors. Here you will find all department hours, including sales, service, and parts. We are excited for the opportunity to service your Lexus and cannot wait to welcome you to the Hennessy Lexus of Gwinnett family.